Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the project real. Open Edge Gallery AI and create or pick a workspace. Make sure your GPU and drivers are ready. This speeds up previews. Next, import the images, models, or datasets you will use. Don't skip naming the project and choosing an output folder because organization prevents errors later. Once done, set basic render and inference presets. This gets you immediate feedback and allows you to iterate fast. Now you wire the process. Choose whether to use a base model, a fine-tuned variant, or your custom network, and set precision like FP16 to balance speed and quality. Then assemble the pipeline, add preprocessing steps, the model node, and post-processing for outputs. Tweak parameters such as thresholds, augmentations, and batch size. This is where quality versus performance trade-offs are made. Make sure to assign GPU affinity if available, because it execute a short test job first. Watch the logs and GPU usage while inspecting sample outputs so you catch issues early. Once satisfied, export the model package, assets, or logs in the required format and compression level so others can reproduce your results. If something goes wrong, consult runtime logs, reduce batch size, switch to FP32, or update drivers. These steps usually resolve memory, precision, and compatibility issues quickly. Finally, rerun the test to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.